2026 is the year of fitness for me, so I finally upgraded to the Aura 4 Smart Ring. So let's unbox and set it up together. Aura Ring is one of the most popular wearable devices right now, so I was excited to unbox and see how smart this ring actually is. First off, let's talk about the website shopping experience. This is a jewelry first wearable, which means that when you're trying to buy the ring, you aren't just looking at the specs, you are also looking at the finish, just like you would buy an actual piece of jewelry. Aura has a few different variations when it comes to the finish, like silver, black, another matte variation of black, there's a brushed nickel, and then finally there is gold, which looks really nice, and then there is rose gold. Once you select your finish, you have to select the sizing kit so that Aura can first send you a sizing kit. And once you know your size, you can come back and finish your purchase. The purchase includes the ring as well as 1 year subscription that can be added on if you want more features. And now the fun part. Now it's time to set up. First, download the Aura app from the App Store. As you can see, the app has pretty solid ratings that shows that the user experience within the app is probably pretty good. Once you download the app, the setup flow is pretty seamless. You'll notice a login screen. Log into the app using your email ID. Then you will first need to connect the ring to its charging dock, which is shipped with the ring. Once the ring is connected to your phone via Bluetooth, the data sync process between the app and the ring starts. You can add your personal details like your height, your weight, your date of birth, which are all used as baselines for personalized health monitoring. There's also an option to sign up for health studies, and then once you put on the ring, the sensors start working. You will immediately see that it's measuring your heart rate, and that is your first health metric. And that's it. The setup process is complete, and you will then see the Welcome to Aura screen. Follow for part 2, where I test all of the features of this Aura ring and see if it actually makes a difference to my health.